How to assign a task in Wrike. Assigning tasks in Wrike is straightforward. You can assign tasks to team members during task creation or anytime later. And here is how to do it. First of all, to assign a task during task creation, the first step to do is to create a task, okay? So log in into your account, and then once you're logged in into your account, you can just move to the top right corner of the screen, click on the plus icon, click on tasks, and then in this page select the space or the project or the folder you want to add tags to, then type out the name of the tags. So it could be drafting for example, and then click on add and open. And after clicking on add and open, in the box displayed, you can see assigning. All right, so this is where we are. This is our focus. Let's click on assigning, and then you can now assign this particular task to whoever you want to assign it to. If the person is amongst your list, your team members, you can just add the person. If not, you can just invite the person through email. Okay, so I'll just be inviting a person now for this particular tax, all right, .com, and then send invite, and then you can change the person's role. All right, this person can edit. This person will be an admin. Just select it, click on send invite, and then just like that, that tax will be assigned to that person once he or she accepts the invite. So this is for the tax creation. And then the second way is when the tax is already created. So by moving to the left side of the screen, you can see some options. Ensure you navigate through to the project whose where you want to assign the task to the person. And then once you're on the project, you're taken to the project page. Here you can see the info about the project name, assigning. All right, so just click on assigning. Once you click on it, you can see some options moving up and down, and then at the top part of the screen, you can also see that. So once you're on this page, um the next step is to ensure that your team members are already part of this workspace, okay? So once they are part of this workspace, you can then easily assign jobs to them. For example, once you type out the title of the task in here, you just go ahead. After clicking on this, you have to type a name. For example, like I said earlier, drafting. Then once you've done that, you can see personal icon to rename, and then you can see more options. Just click on more options, and then once you click on more options, you can see view status, copy name, add sub name, rename, change status. So as you can see all of this, you'll be able to like assign duties specifically under the assigning column where you are done filling all of this. For example, now um once you're done typing out the kind of item and you're under this assigning, once you click on it, you can then go ahead and assign the person you want. You can add more people as much as you want. And that is just how you can assign people to tasks within the project. All right. So this is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.